Hey everybody, today's video is about a post I did on my blog. How do I run VBA code when a form opens? Again, VBAHowTo.com. I'm going to speed through the video right now. If I go into this folder here, I'm going to create new access database, and I'm going to call this open event. And then I'm going to open it up by clicking on the by double click on it, and it's opening. Okay, run, and I have two different versions. So this is Office 365 right here. So I can actually see a database window here, and I have the database window going on, and so I'm going ahead and create a form, and this form, first find the form. I'm going step by step through my video, the blog post. Find the form you want to create when you open the form. Okay, so the point here is to find, how do I run VBA code when a form opens? Okay, so if I open up this form right here, and I'm going to present myself with a message basically. So, and you could have any form when you click a button. Any form when you click a button. Can you see me now? Any form when you click a button, it can open. We can open this up. So here, if I go to the Events tab, whenever the form opens, the form open event, and I click that I want to run an event procedure. I don't want to do the macros. You do have a choice to do embedded macros, but I don't like macros. Some people do, some people don't, like me, and pretty much you can't. It's harder to debug them. I guess if I was a macro advocate, then I'm going ahead clicking the triple dots, and I go into the form open, cancel as integer, and I'm going to say the message box, do your thing now. And I'm saving this, FRM, notice. Okay, I'm closing out of the box here. Let's see what happens. My form is called FRM notice, so when I open it, I get do your things now. Okay, so that's how I open a form run VBA code. Now, if I want to, I can edit this and modify it. I'm going to press alternate F11 on my screen here. And let's say I want this to be in a procedure all by itself. Okay, I can copy it. And then I'm going to create another procedure here. Sub message. Okay, and then I have a message here, and whenever it opens up, I can call this I can have it called MSG. Okay, and MSG is over here. So now let's see what happens. Whenever I open this up, I should have the same thing happen. Because first of all, it's going, and I'm pressing alternate F11 again. First of all, it goes here and it opens. Okay, the event is open. And then I'm going here to MSG, the procedure. The MSG procedure is this, MSG. Now if I could do let's say I want to do a calculation, I could do a function, and then I do the function doing math. I don't know if it's a keyword or not, but let's say DBL, or let's say result equals 1 plus 3, and then Mrs. Box result. Okay, now, and here I put I'm ripping this out by putting a comment here. So when the open form open button actually takes place, when the form opens, I'm going to run my function called math. Okay, so let's close this out and see what we're going to get. Yes, I want to save the digits, and then I run it, and I should get 4, which I did. Okay, that was my math, and so I could say function that goes down here, but I could elaborate on it on math and say as have it return for me an integer, because a function is actually supposed to return some value. A sub actually just does something. A function actually returns a value. So if I can return a value, math equals result, because that's a value I want to return the result. I want this function here to return that. So message box math, whatever math is. Let's say message box. Your sum is, and math. Your sum is math. Okay, good. Let's see what we have here. Close this out and close the form out. Relaunch it. Your sum is 4. So that's a few different ways of doing it. I showed you about 3 different ones. That is how you run VBA code when a form opens. kind of expanded a little bit on it. Make sure you leave your comment in the comment section below if you do have a question. Subscribe and like if you like this video, got some value from it. If not, don't do it. Okay, simple as that. Subscribe and like the video, and put the comments if you have any questions below. And again, my name is Eric with VBAHowTo.com, and we'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.